I recently made some fall pickups. The first piece is this cotton slub sweater from Stussy. I went for the green garment dye version and paired it with my black Orly down jacket. To complete the look, I also wore my MF Pen straight leg jeans and my Marcel Everett leather belt. Stussy once again nailed it with the basics. However, I would size up because I am a true US medium and this one fits on the small side. Next up is this pair of Margiela loafer Tabis. I added the protective soles at the bottom, and I'd recommend doing that if you want to increase the longevity of your shoe. Fortunately, I got these off Buy for an absolute steal. They're from a few seasons back, but I got it for half off retail. These are the Arctic 3 Oxfords from Officine Creative. Built for the colder months, these feature a treaded rubber sole and stacked leather midsole. I'd recommend sizing one down from your true US size. My favorite detail is the black on black detailing in the lace up closure. These come with raw leather laces and an additional set of waxed cotton laces in black. I also picked up this And Wander down vest from Les17. It's a store here in Calgary. I really liked how the pattern varies from the front and the back. So it's diagonal quilts in the front and then just regular square in the back. It's pretty warm. I got it for like 30% off, so overall happy with it. I've also been looking for a mock neck zip up sweater for the longest time. So when Raining Tramp dropped this Vinny track sweater in a merino wool, it was exactly perfect for my winter style. Gap also released this vintage fleece zip hoodie. It's like 50% off and it's better than a lot of designer versions. I've been looking for a pair of wide leg simple black trousers for the winter, and this Lady White coat was perfectly suited for that. It's just an everyday basic that I wear to the office casually, and it's in this 10-ounce jersey, which is really comfy but also pretty warm. I've also been getting a lot of thermals lately. They're a really nice mid layer for the winter. I picked up a Stussy one, and then also I've been sampling my own. I like that the Stussy one is built with raglan sleeves. It just fits nicer around the shoulders. And then the one that I've been sampling has a reflective embroidery logo, and it's also vintage washed in a nice blue color. I also picked up some Coor jeans off Essence. This is a new acquisition for them, Korean brand, in a nice fade. That's it. That's all my pickups. Enjoy your day.